Hi, my name is Joe Wheeler. The apprenticeship program has been amazing for me. It's given me the opportunity to work and go to school at the same time, go for an associate's degree, and really just expand my career. It's given me opportunities that I didn't have before I was in the program. And working with everyone here, there's always something to learn, and working hands-on, it's a great environment for me.
My name is Spencer Curator. I am in cohort 4, and what the apprenticeship program has done for me is given me an opportunity to expand my knowledge in the technician and engineering field. And here at Festo, I love what I do, and I hope to expand upon it.
Hi, I'm Austin Diesel, and I graduated from Corrin High School. I've been here for about 1.5 years now. I'm on my last semester, and this has been a really good opportunity for me to get hands-on with electrical and machinery, working on the different departments. And right now I'm about to graduate and about to become full-time. And it's been great for me, and hopefully I can keep going within Festo and grow within the company.
I'm Brandon Smith. I'm in cohort 4. This apprenticeship program is huge to me because it gives me an opportunity to further my education and have an opportunity to grow with Festo as the expansion grows, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I'm Nathaniel Armstrong, and this program is important to me because it gives me the tools and skills to help me grow as a student as well as an employee and help jumpstart my career with Festo.
My name is Joseph King. I'm an apprentice for Festo. I think this is important to me because I get the hands-on experience, and I also get to go to school and do the learning aspect of it too.
Thank you, Festo, for the opportunity.